Minsan ay nakakatuwang pagmasdan ng kilos ng mga bata at pakinggan ang kanilang mga iniisip because you can perceive the innocence and purity of life in them. Sa isang bata, isang simpleng bagay ay maaari nang magdulot ng lubos na ligaya. In our gospel, the disciples were happy because they were successful in their mission. Pero para kay Jesus, they should be happier not because of their success but because their names are written in heaven. At ito ang katotohanan. There is nothing greater than to show that we belong to God's family. Maaring mukhang simpleng mga salita ito mula kay Jesus, but having our names written in heaven means that we are destined to be with Him for eternity. May we be worthy citizens of heaven by our life of holiness. G ka ba?